friends, welcome back to Nishal Scientific. In this we're going to do the black color crush issue test on the Realme GT Neo 2 after the recent software update. So the main reason is because a few of the users, they are actually planning to buy this phone, or maybe they already bought the phone and they want to know whether the recent update did it affect any kind of color improvement and enhancements or not. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. And these are the few things which I thought of showing you regarding the update log, what it included regarding the display and the touch panel. As you can see, something related to the touch panel. So there's nothing improvement in the touch sampling rate. So don't worry, touch sampling rate is not increased. It's exactly same as before, 300 Hz only. It's not 600 Hz. And these are the comments which I'm getting on the black color crush issue, solved or not. So few of the users, they didn't mention that it's not solved. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. So I'll try to play the similar kind of videos, and not only in that video, even if you play any kind of different videos also, you'll be able to see the very small amount of black color crush issue, and maybe this can be fixed and may not be this can be fixed. So right now I'm trying to play the video in the slow motion. You will be able to see how the black color crush issue is happening. This is exact Realme phone only which I'm trying to use in this video for the demonstration purpose. As you can see, this is the black color crush issue which is happening. So we'll have that update also. Still we will be able to see this kind of black color crush issue. Not only in this video, don't think that this video is got something. So even if you watch few videos you will be able to see this kind of issue in this phone, which is Realme GT Neo 2, which I'm trying to use. In some scenarios you will be able to see this kind of black color crush issue. In this movie you will be able to see this from the Hotstar, which I'm trying to play exactly from the Hotstar. Okay, this is not the normal video, this Hotstar video which I'm trying to, you will be able to see some kind of black color crush issue is happening sometimes around this kind of location, in this kind of area, which I did notice sometimes, little bit. So friends, just a little bit of black color crush issue still existing in the Realme GT Neo 2, still little bit, not a huge one, but just a little bit. So only under certain circumstances you will be able to see this kind of black color crush issue. Let me know in the comments below how many of the users are still facing this kind of problem, and maybe hopefully they might get fixed with the software update. But there is another few methods which you can actually do to decrease this kind of black color crush issue, but definitely I'll try to do that kind of video as soon as possible after doing for testing for myself. I just want to see the results are getting impacted or not. I'll try to test it and I'll try to come back with another video how to fix the problem as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. This is a quick review which I thought of just giving you on the Realme GT Neo 2. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.